Listening to the Doors here. Love me 2 times, baby. Love me 6 times, baby. I already ate 2 patties. This is all that's left here. It's like stuck here. I can't even get it off. Come on, get off there. You got 4 patties left. See that? This is part 2. No problem. No bread, baby. Isn't it crazy? This is part of my diet. The Apefather diet. The only way to eat food like a king and still lose weight. All protein, baby. I'm also drinking. This is a Diet Coke with a little cherry in there. Loves you, Morrison. So this is now patty number 4. So good. That's like eating a Whopper to the Doors. Love me 6 times, baby.